Want to make your videos stand out? Let's learn how to reverse them on your mobile. It's quick and easy. First, choose your video. Open your favorite editing app, like InShot or Filmora Go. Ready? Let's go! Once your video is loaded, look for the reverse feature. It's usually found in the effects section. Easy to spot. Tap on the reverse option. Watch your action rewind like magic. This can add a fun twist to your clips. Preview your masterpiece. Make any adjustments if you need to. It's all about getting it just right. Finally, save your video. You're now ready to share your unique content with the world. Go unleash your creativity. And that's it. You've reversed your video on mobile. How easy was that? It's your turn to try it out. Experiment with reversal effects in different videos. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and have fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more video tips. Join our creative community today. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with your new editing skills. Happy reversing. Be sure to check out our other tutorials. Keep enhancing your editing skills. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, keep creating and exploring your creativity. Bye for now.